on to the next question. Assertion and reason. Assertion: I'm the topper in NEET MDS 2020. Reason: I will work to the best of my ability in spite of numerous challenges I face. When I give my best, who else is going to crack entrance except for me? So which option would you choose? Assertion and reason are true and justified, reason not justified. Assertion is true, reason is false, vice versa. See, it's all about believing in yourself. As I mentioned previously, I'm the topper in NEET MDS 2020. That's the best way to motivate yourself. Best way of intrinsic motivation. So whenever you feel low, whenever you feel like skeptical about your future, just imagine yourself to be the topper in the coming entrance exam. How would you feel? How would your environment around you feel? How would your family feel? How would your friends feel? So that gives you a lot of enthusiasm and energy, and that's how I used to personally motivate myself. And intrinsic motivation is the best form and effective form of motivation, take my word, right? So assertion is true. And what about reason? If you work, if you give your best in spite of numerous challenges you face, then who else is going to crack entrance except for you? Who else is going to deserve the best except for you? So both assertion and reason are true, and reason justifies assertion.